how do you find the square root of 21? And this here, again, you can either use the long division or simplified radical form. So firstly, I'm going to use the simplified radical form, and I don't think we can actually simplify this even down further, because I'm taking 21, it's not an even number, so I'm going to use, I'm going to take out a 3 here. If I divide it by 3 here, I'm getting a 7. So 3 root 7 doesn't really help me here, because I can't combine anything, so root 21 is actually the most simplified form. So therefore, we have to use the long division, right? So I have 21 here, and then I'm going to do a long division here to find the square root of 21. So again, I'm looking for two numbers that square closest to 21. 5 squared would be 25, which goes over, which means 4 squared is my only answer here. So 4 squared here would give me 16. 21 minus 16 here equals 5. I would add 2 zeros here, and then I'm going to double my answer here. So I'm going to have an 8 here. And now it's asking us 8 times 8, and what value will give me 500. So I would do 81 times 1, which is 81. 81 times 2 would be 82 times 2 is 164. 83 times 3 is 249. 84 times 4 would be 336. And 85 times 5 would give me 425, which is probably the closest number, because 86 times 6 would give me 516. So I'm going to have 85 here. So I'll put a 5 here. And another 5 here. This would be decimal now. 4.5. 85 times 5 would give me a value of 425. So now I'm going to add 2 zeros, and then I'm going to double this amount, right? So so 85 here. If I double 5 here, I'm going to get an 810 here, or 90 here. Sorry. Because I'm doubling 5 here, which will give me 10, or you can think of it as adding your 5 here. And then finally, I'm asking 900 something to 75 here, right? So 900 something, I believe it's times 909 times 9 would give me 8181. So I'm going to go 908 times 8 here, which would give me 7264. So the solution. So I'm going to have 8 here. 8 here, 908 times 8 gives me 7264, and this will be our remainder of 236. And this here is our correct answer. So this here is 4.58. So our answer here equals plus or minus 4.58, approximately. So this solution here is correct, because again, square root of 216 here is, or sorry, square root of 21 here is equal to 458. So this solution here is correct, or 4.58. So this solution here is correct. It's good analysis as well. Good analysis.